friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
I just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Branches are dry, poor thing.
Don't need no glass or no heart.
I can't.
Don't need no twist of a line. And now it's supper time.
I'll get the can. Here you go.
Oh,
Let go! Let go!
relax and roll with it. Come on, join your Dennis Red and Moshnik. They're right inside.
They're inside. Singapore. Oh shit. Hello. Audrey, Audrey, are you all right? Oh, yes. No. No. Oh, don't die, Audrey, please. I need you. Please don't die. You know, the plant just said the strangest thing just now. It said that Warren and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things. Oh, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live to bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
No, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. If I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me. You'll see me bud and bloom. I'm feeling strangely happy now, contented